Thank you so much for joining us for WAAY 31 News at 5. I'm Marie Waxel. Tonight, we begin with the latest summer surge of COVID-19. Cases continue to rise throughout Alabama with no signs of stopping. With many students and teachers preparing to head back to the classroom next week, experts warn community transmission could increase even more. WAAY 31's Nicole Zedek spoke with leaders at the Alabama Department of Public Health this afternoon to find out what you need to know before sending your child back to school. Miguel?
Marie, Health Department says the good news is all school-age children are now eligible for the COVID vaccine, including the recent approval of kids ages 6 months to 5 years. And since the vaccine was approved for that youngest age group last month, almost 2,000 kids under the age of 5 have been vaccinated throughout Alabama. That number increases when you look at older age groups who have been eligible for the vaccine for longer. More than 60,000 doses have been administered to kids ages 5 to 11, and more than 140,000 have been given to those between the ages of 12 and 17. ADPH says being vaccinated is the best way to slow the spread of COVID, but there are other mitigation strategies to keep in mind when heading back to the classroom.
We want to keep children in the classroom as much as possible. That's where we're talking about trying to use as many of those strategies as possible. Those might include things like masking, making sure that kids don't come to school sick, making sure that there's plenty of spacing as much as possible, environmental decontamination, good ventilation, and then of course now that we have the ability for vaccination for our kids.
Currently, Madison County has a 30% test positivity rate, but health experts say the total number of cases is likely higher because many people are not getting tested or not reporting the results of their at-home tests. As kids head back to the classroom, doctors say it's important to keep your child home if they are feeling sick. That way you don't risk spreading infection to any others in school. Reporting live in Huntsville, Nicole Zedek, WAAY 31 News.